The birth of Karna. King Shursen of Yadava was a just and a God-fearing ruler. His first cousin, King Kunti Bhoj, was childless. Shursen promised to grant him his firstborn child, gave his daughter Pritha when she was 5 years of age to Raja Kunti Bhoj. Raja Kunti Bhoj showered all his affection on Pritha, bringing her up as his own daughter. In course of time, her original name was forgotten, and she came to be known as Kunti. Kunti grew up in her foster father's kingdom in great care and affection. In her adolescence, her father entrusted her the responsibility of welcoming the royal guests and looking after their needs. Once, Maharshi Durvasa happened to visit Kunti Bhoj's capital. He wished to stay there for a few days to perform a yajna. The rishi was feared for his fiery temper and power. Raja Kunti Bhoj therefore entrusted the difficult and the delicate task of keeping Durvasa happy to his daughter. After Durvasa's yajna was over, he told Kunti, "Dear child, I am extremely pleased with you and wish to bless you with a divine boon. I am giving you a secret mantra known as the Abhisar mantra, where you can summon any deva. This mantra will make them bless you with a son. You may use this when you need it." So saying, Durvasa left. Kunti was curious to see the power of this divine mantra. In her childlike curiosity, one early morning, she stood near the window of her palace, watching the early morning rising sun. She invoked the secret mantra Durvasa had given her. Lo and behold, the sun, Surya Dev, appeared before her in a splendid and a very bright fiery form. Kunti was frightened. She prostrated to Surya with folded hands. Lord, forgive me. I remembered you only out of my childlike curiosity to test the mantra's power. I am unmarried, maiden, and cannot accept the progeny you may give me. Surya Dev said, Kunti, the power of your mantra will force me to bestow upon you a son who will be very valorous, chivalrous, and renowned. He shall have divine earrings and an armor, the Kavacha Kundala. He shall also be of a conceited and a spiteful nature, and shall fall into the company of the wicked, doing misdeeds and courting adharma. This shall lead to his downfall. Saying so, the sun god disappeared. In due time, Kunti gave birth to a boy. But Kunti had to conceal this fact out of fear of social disapproval. With her heart heavy with grief, she placed her newborn infant in a box and dispatched it into the river. The box, flowing through many rivers, ultimately reached the Ganga and was found by Dhritarashtra's charioteer Adhirath. Adhirath had no children and was overjoyed to find this infant. He took the baby home to his wife Radha, and the couple raised him as their own child, naming him Vasusen. However, he was known more as Karna or Radheya.